Excel data entry exercise. In cell A1, type January, then press Tab. The selection moves to the right, and cell B1 is now the active cell. Return to cell A1 by clicking in that cell, or by pressing the left arrow key. In cell A1, press Enter. The selection moves down, and now cell A2 is the active cell. Return to cell A1 by pressing the up arrow key. In cell E1, type Name, then press Tab. Cell F1, type Date. Press Tab again. In cell G1, type Assist. Now press Enter. Click in cell B1. Begin typing October and stop typing after the third or fourth letter. Delete the text by pressing Escape. Now type something misspelled like October with a K, so O-C-K. Type that in cell B1. Press backspace once to delete K. Now press the rest of the correctly spelled word and then press Enter or Tab. So in this case it'll be T-O-B-E-R. Click into cell B2. Enter exactly 09/09/2009. Then press Enter or Tab. Now click into cell C2 and type 9:00 and then press Enter. Now select C2 and examine the formula bar here. Notice we have 9 a.m. Select cell D2 and type in exactly 9:00 space and then a P. Press Enter. Now click into cell C2 again and notice we still have this format here in the formula bar. Now let's enter some numbers. Select cell B4. Type open parentheses 100 and then type close parentheses. Press Enter. Notice the numbers displayed as -100. Now in cell B5, enter a whole number in a fraction. In this case we'll enter 1 space 1/8 and then we'll press Enter. Select cell B5 and look at the formula bar. Excel stores fractions as decimal numbers. In cell B6, type 1/6 and press Enter. Notice that Excel stores this as a date. Now in cell B7, type 0 space 1/4 and press Enter. And notice Excel has correctly interpreted this as a fraction. We need a 0 before the fraction before it can be correctly interpreted. Now let's fill in the months of the year. Select cell A1 where you previously typed January. Now hover your pointer over the lower right corner of cell A1 until you see the skinny plus here. Once you have that shape, click down and keep dragging down column A until the screen tip to the right says January. So August, September, October, November, December, and then January. Notice the list is filled in automatically. Now select cell A15 and type 3. Select cell A16 and type 6. Press Enter. Now select cell A15 again, hold down the Shift button on your keyboard, and select cell A16. Now release your Shift button, and again position the pointer over the lower right corner until we get the skinny plus. Click down and drag the fill handle down the column until we get to number 21. Notice it's increasing by 3 automatically. When you're at 21, let go. Now let's use autocomplete. In cell A23, type Northwestern, and then press enter. In cell A24, type N, and notice Northwestern has been auto-completed for us. Now what about when text is too long for a cell? Let's select cell C6 and type Northwestern University. Press enter. Notice that the text overlaps into the next cell, cell D6. Let's select cell D6 and type something like ABC, and then press enter. Now click back into cell C6 and examine the formula bar. Notice all of our text is still there. Let's make the column wider so that we can see all of the text in the cell. Hover your pointer between the columns C and D. Notice that it's changed into a dark cross with 2 arrow points. Now double click here. The column has been changed to fit the text.